Who said that braids can't be used for bridal hairstyles? The way you style your braid, you can actually use it for bridal hairstyles with something that's beautiful. So after braiding your hair, you just have to start styling it. So the pattern you fold it will actually give you the result that you want. You can use your pin to secure it, or you can decide to sew it. So that sewing method will actually make it last. So it's not just going to be for 1 day or 2 days. But if you want to take it off, or you want to switch your style afterwards, then you can use the pin to secure it while doing this style. Watch this video to the very end, and trust me, you will love this hairstyle. After the braids, the hair at the middle are actually joined together, and another hair that was braided out with thread, like you can just put your thread and start braiding, was added to it to add volume to the middle one there, to add volume. But if you decide to do something like mohawk braid at the middle and it's full, then you can go ahead and continue. But otherwise, to get that fuller feel, just braid extension out there and attach it with your needle and thread to secure it together. Then you start wrapping it. This is where you know a creative hairstylist, not the one that follows the norms, but the one that actually sets the record. Note that while you're folding this circular one, you have to put your thumb in the middle to secure it while you're folding in circular motion. Please, your thumb is very important. You use it to pin it down while you're folding it in circular motion. So you can decide to use your pin, that black pin, to secure it, or use your needle and thread and sew it so that it will be there. But I would say if you want to wear it for a longer time, ensure you use your needle and thread to tack this. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do well to smash that subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends and family, and comment. I want to hear your thoughts about this hairstyle. So guys, this is the final look of this hairstyle. What do you think about this? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be trying this out as a bridal hairstyle or as a traditional marriage hairstyle? Let me hear your thoughts. If you're yet to smash the subscribe button, please do well to smash the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I make a new post. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.